Hey guys, it's me Bubba here, and I'm back with another commentary. In this commentary, I'm going to be doing a commentary on Whitebird Gets Held Back by Hi Hi Paviami Yumi Rules 2001. And I know this video will be cringe. Why? Because, I mean, do the people even know what held back means on Go Animate? Held back means if you don't do well in the grade you're in, you have to start the grade all over again. Not just like go reverse in another grade, like backwards. But don't worry, guys. I'm not trying to bring up Hi Hi Paviami Rules 2001. I'm just giving you guys an example of a cringy Go Animate video. But anyways, let's start this commentary.
I hope everyone has their homework. Whitebird, where's your homework?
I forgot it at home.
Oh great, let the cringe begin.
You forgot your homework again. You are tricked.
Yeah, you fail it like white blind.
That's it. Go to my little pony friendship is magic class.
Seriously? How the hell do you get like held back for not bringing your homework? I mean, that's just silly.
Okay, class. We will be taking a field trip to the museum. Whitebird, why did you bring your homework when we were going?
Oh, wait, what? Whitebird had his homework the whole time? Why didn't he just I don't know, bring it out earlier? That's just so stupid.
I'm on a field trip. Go to Phineas and Ferb class.
And seriously, how the hell do you get held back for bringing your homework when you're going on a field trip? That's just so stupid. That's why I hate held back videos, because they're just nothing but cringe.
Class, we will be taking a test, and means absolutely no bathroom breaks. Whitebird, where do you think you're going?
I was going to the bathroom.
Are you lied? It says no bathroom breaks at all. You're way up to the end of my class. Go to SpongeBob SquarePants class. Oh.
How the world do you get held back for trying to go to the bathroom? I mean, when you gotta go, you gotta go. That's just so stupid.
Okay, at life, we will be learning about fractions.
I hate math. Math is for losers.
Who said that?
It was Whitebird.
Okay, first of all, you cannot blame others. That's wrong. Second, my bad, there is no second.
Whitebird, how dare you say that to me? Go to Franklin class now.
Seriously, how the world do you get held back? All because you hate math. I mean, look, I know math can be hard sometimes, but you gotta deal with it because it's never gonna change.
It's lunchtime. Where's your lunch?
I don't have one because I'm in Angry Birds /THF /Marlow /Sonic class.
Go to Little Bear class.
Are you serious right now? How in the world do you get held back for not bringing your lunch? This is so stupid right now. You know what? Screw this. I'm skipping a little bit of this one.
Why did I get sent all the way back to Nick Junior Face School?
I don't know. Ask the other Go Animators / Beyonders that make cringy grounded videos or held back videos.
You want some fruit? Well, I'm hungry, and that looks really good.
You ate all the apples, bananas, oranges, and pears.
Are you trying to make me deaf?
Whitebird, you know we have to share. I'm going NBC and PBS.
PBS, what happened?
You're grounded for 50 minutes. Get your swig upstairs now. I freaking hate you guys.
Okay, Tommy and Timmy.
Well, that held back video was cringe. Because how in the world do you get held back for those ridiculous things? This is just so stupid. And I'm not gonna be even bother with the outro.